My name is Andrea Long. I am a STEM teacher at Philadelphia Performing Arts Charter School. In my STEM classes, students are project-based learners, and I am a co-learner alongside them. Students learn all topics within STEM, from earth science to space to technology. This year, I partnered with Project Invent to have my students invent an invention to help somebody in their community. My students chose to partner with one of our social studies teachers who is partially blind in both of his eyes, and to partner with a 5th grade boy who is blind in his left eye. Students made inventions that helped these two people with their everyday lives on struggles that they mentioned that they wanted help with. One group of students created an invention for our social studies teacher called the Kid Identification Device. That was a hat that this teacher wore with a camera in the front to help this teacher recognize which student is standing in front of him when he was speaking to a student. My students went on the live main stage at ISTE Live and presented their project in front of a bunch of educators to show off the success of their project.